What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another video, and today's video is going to be just a little out day. Run a few errands. We may go thrifting somewhere, but yeah, we left the boys at home. We're just gonna be out for a little bit. Oh, but first stop, we're gonna go. I need some gas. I have Moo. Man. So, see you in a bit. So we're here at Goodwill, about to go and just see what we, come across. So yeah, let's go inside. Got my Lysol wipe, of course. Moochie, grab my keys. My keys. Right here. Nano up there. Oh, look at this chair. Director's chair. Candle holder. I like this. And then I may get this picture. It's upside down. I mean, I'm So of course, you clean it off. All that type of stuff. Some what? You finna buy that first? Yes, cute. Gucci, you sneezing. The dust. Yeah. Y'all think this Gucci real? I don't think so. Let's get out at Ross. Ooh, that pole, I thought it was something coming, and I did like this. Not too many people. Sister girl right here wants some sandals. That was a little bit too grand. Okay. Oh, yeah. this rug feels so soft. Oh, yeah, no, this one feels so good. Oh, this one too, it feels so soft. Oh, look. Oh, this one too, Moochie, feel real soft.